Today we're removing the rear side speakers from a Chrysler Sebring convertible. We're going to start with grasping the front outer edge of the rear seat bottom cushion and lifting straight up. This will release a little lock that secures it to the vehicle. We're going to repeat this for the passenger side and lift this up, releasing the lock. This vehicle has 6.5s for the fronts and the rear deck has 6x9s. That's another video. With the rear seat cushion released, we're going to lift it up and remove it from the vehicle. We're going to move to the driver's side panel across the door opening and pry along the edge of this panel, releasing clips. The reason for removing this panel is it interlocks with the rear side panel we're releasing here in a few moments. With this lifted up or released, you can lift the back edge of the next panel up as well to release it from its opening and remove this door jamb panel. With our pry bar, we're going to go to the armrest at the cup holder, gently pry this panel up. It will release with pry pressure. This is going to allow you to remove this panel and access a screw here securing the panel to the side of the vehicle. With this screw removed, we're going to grasp the bottom edge of the side panel and pull it back away from the side of the vehicle. We're going to do this along the front edge, along the top of this panel, releasing clips. They release with pull pressure. This will allow you to pull the panel towards the front of the vehicle, remove it up out of the car, and set it to the side. Of course, we're going to check the side of the vehicle for any clips that may have remained and been pulled off of the door panel. With our pry bar, we can remove these clips. There are corresponding spots on the door panel that they clip back into. This will allow you to get it ready for reinstallation. The speaker has several mounting screws. This is an oversized 6.5. You can remove it from the side of the vehicle. There is a connector on the side of it that you squeeze the trigger down into and release. When reinstalling the side panel here, you have to watch the linkage that's at the top rear edge of it to see if it aligns properly. You'll know this once you get it back into place. After reinstalling the side panel, check the weather stripping to be sure it's not bound. Hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.